Good morning. I have a workout for you today. I got about 10 or 11 different exercises, and takes me about an hour to get through the whole thing. And the key with workouts, be consistent. I try to do these workouts a minimum. These are my heavy duty workouts. I try and do them at least twice a week. Um, and so I've got to push myself because I'm working hard on the sled. And then I've got the other exercises. So, and every time I'm trying to get better form at each exercise, and be able to pump out more reps, more sets. Endurance and stamina is what I'm looking for. So you need that for longevity. If you want to live, I want to live. I like life. So I want to keep living. And so that's the idea. Get out there, make it consistent. If you're doing it twice a week, stick to it for 52 weeks. And then over time and over years, right now, I consider myself like a 2 to 4 year project. I think in 2 years I'll be a lot stronger. In 4 years, for my age, I think I'll be, flexible and strong. Hopefully, if things go well, barring any injuries. And I pray before I do workouts. Oh, I don't want to get injured. But the key is I pray for self-control, to be modest and not push myself too far where I get injured. I wanted to give a shout out to Ben and Derek. They're on the YouTube channel Knees Over Toes. And thank you for this workout. Much appreciated. The sled, you're working hard. You're pushing yourself. It's a good warm-up. You can start easy and then work your way into it. But 100 meters backwards and 100 meters forward is a good way to get you started. Yeah, I really like the stretching because you're working on functional strength. You want to elongate the muscles, make them strong at the same time. This stretch here can be painful at first, and I'm a work in progress here. I mean, I'm happy I got this far with it, but the goal is to get my whole upper body almost flat on that front leg. So I got a ways to go with this one. Loosen up those hips. Standing pancake, I got 60 seconds in here. And these things are not as easy as they look. I like that, keeping my arms up, because I have my upper back posture is not that good. I'm working on it. Another exercise that's not as easy as it looks I got in 25 reps, but I did 15 first, then I did 10 on both sides. So I'm trying to build up that lower back, the glutes. Okay, this is a tough one. I got in the 20 reps, and this and that L sit are really going to help your lower abs. I hope you enjoyed that workout. Use some of those exercises to help yourself become stronger, become better at whatever sport you're interested in. Tennis, basketball, whatever it is. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. That helps me out a lot. And please post any questions or comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Remember, carbs, carb up. Forget that meat, all that stuff. You don't need it. It slows you down. Carbohydrates, you can build muscle with carbohydrates. So eat your fruit, eat your carbs, all the best. Take care.